Are you trying to set up your Google Workspace email on your iPhone but getting stuck somewhere along the way? Maybe the settings looks confusing or email just won't sync properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get your email working back smoothly in no time. Also, if you want additional help, just dial in the numbers on the screen. So let's begin now. For the first step, what you need to do is tap on Settings icon on your phone. Next, scroll down to the Apps option and tap on it. Then, look for the Mail option and open it. On the Open page, you need to select the Mail Accounts option to see your existing accounts. Now, simply choose the Add Account option to add your Google Workspace account. Enter your email address if you have not already signed in. Here, I'm going to choose and tap on the Choose from a List option if you are already on your iPhone. Next, tap on the Google option to proceed. After that, enter your Google Workspace email address and choose the Next option. Also, type the passwords associated with your account to complete the process. Once that's done, you will see the Access Permission page like this. Simply, you need to choose the Continue option. When you see the image, tap on Select All and scroll down to select the Continue button. Now, turn on the toggles for the apps you want to use your email and tap on the Save to finish the Google Workspace setup process on your iPhone.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.